Welcome to this tutorial on installing Windows Subsystem for Linux, also known as WSL. In this video, we'll go through the steps to install WSL and Ubuntu 24 on your Windows system. Let's get started. First, ensure your Windows version supports WSL. You need Windows 10 version 2004 or later, or Windows 11. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. Go to your Start menu. Search for Turn Windows feature on or off and select it. Enable BOS Windows Subsystem for Linux. And virtual machine platform. Then click OK and restart your computer. After restarting, open PowerShell as an administrator. Type following command and press enter. This command will download and install WSL and the default Linux distribution, which is usually Ubuntu. If you would like to install Ubuntu 24 specifically, use this command. This will install the latest version of Ubuntu 24. After installation, you can launch Ubuntu from your Start menu. When you launch Ubuntu for the first time, it will ask you to create a username and password. Choose a secure password and complete the setup. To ensure everything is working correctly, run the following command in the Ubuntu terminal. Congratulations! You have successfully installed WSL and Ubuntu 24 on your Windows system. Now you can enjoy a Linux environment right from your Windows desktop. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Your support really helps.